Hi, I'm Cy, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Sleep On Latex Pure Green Organic Latex Mattress. We got the king size, and let's go ahead and take a look at the box that it comes in first here. Here it is, the Sleep On Latex king size mattress in this big box. We'll see what it looks like inside in just a moment. Pure Green Organic Latex Mattress. Latex foam, fair trade certified according to the Fair for Life standard. And you've also got these other certifications here. As you can see, it's made with 95% certified organic. So here is what it looks like once you get it out of the box, all rolled up in paper. You have this Sleep On Latex Pure Green Organic Latex Mattress warranty, care, and instructions. So you can actually see the mattress here, but I want to point you to the unpacking information. You are going to start to unwrap it and it may spring open on you, and you can see some of the other information about the mattress, care and use instructions, and the 100-day sleep trial, and then again the certifications. So the instructions say to peel the layers of this paper away until it pops open. Let's see what happens. There we go. So before we get into why we got this mattress, let's just go ahead and get a reaction from these family members trying this mattress out. Go ahead and get on it.
Oh, this is comfy.
Would you say that it's better or worse than you expected?
Oh, it's so comfortable. It's so nice. It's exactly what I dreamed of. It's the same. I imagined my mattress just like this.
This is my first time getting on it, so we're going to see here. Ooh, wow, I like the firm. I can already tell that I'm not going to need to have it any less firm.
What do you think, Lexi? It's comfy. It's comfy. I agree. It's comfy. It's soft but firm at the same time.
It's still like enough bounciness.
Exactly. It has a little bit of bounciness, but not too much.
I love the way that it feels. I'm happy with it. I think it's better than I expected, honestly. It's a firm mattress, but you could get it in not firm, meaning in medium firm. But for me, I thought maybe we might have to have a mattress topper for it, but I know that we're not going to need a mattress topper because it's about perfect how it is.
It's perfect. I feel the same. It's just absolutely perfect.
They just said it's soft. So this is the king size firm Pure Green Organic Latex Mattress by Sleep On Latex, and these mattresses come in both a medium and firm, and we did get the firm one because we are used to sleeping on a firm surface. That being said, if it was too firm, we would have ordered the natural latex mattress topper and put it on top of our mattress, but I can tell, I guess, as I said, that I'm not going to need that. At the first impression, I'm definitely very happy with it, but we will go ahead and sleep on it and give you our impressions of what it was like to sleep on. And maybe one of the first questions you might have is, why this mattress? And the answer is because we wanted a mattress that is made from natural materials that has no VOCs or volatile organic compounds. Some mattresses have low VOC off-gassing, and low VOC mattresses are probably pretty good when it comes to how they affect your health, but we wanted the very best, and that's why we went with no VOCs. And in case you are not familiar, most bedding has a chemical flame retardant applied, and what's cool about the Sleep On Latex Pure Green Organic Latex mattresses is that they are naturally fire resistant. The materials latex and wool are something to look for when you want naturally flame resistant mattresses. This mattress is made from organic latex, a foam quilted cover, and it's made of organic cotton and organic wool as well. And when you're looking for an organic mattress as a natural mattress, you will find many products that have an organic cover, for example, and those mattresses often have some type of foam inside of them, but often they're not truly organic. And although organic is great, I do care more about the kind of chemicals that might be emitted from the materials, and that's why I think the Pure Green Organic Latex mattress by Sleep On Latex is a great option for natural mattresses. We did look around and even posted on forums trying to find out what others recommended regarding natural mattresses, and surprisingly we had almost no feedback from anyone. Apparently, even in health-related communities, people are not thinking much about their bedding. So the long story short is we did our own research, including talking to different company representatives, and we found this mattress to be one of the best values. And just so you know, as far as what others think about this mattress, it is very highly rated by many customers for sleep, for quality, for comfort and for the value for the money. And of course, the dimensions of your mattress are going to vary depending on what you get, but the basic mattress is 8 inches thick. And as far as the materials go, it consists of 3 different layers, and the natural latex foam comfort layer, and then there's also a natural latex foam base. So the comfort layer is above the foam base to make it a little bit softer. Then there's organic wool batting above that. And these layers are held together with organic cotton quilt backing, and the mattress is covered with an organic cotton knit fabric. Here's a quote from Sleep on Latex. Since we introduced the Pure Green mattress in 2015, it has consistently received high marks. It has been recommended by Consumer Reports. Wirecutter named it the best latex mattress by U.S. News and World Report, and they mainly attribute the reception of this mattress to the natural latex foam used. If you're wondering whether you should get the medium or the firm mattress, Sleep on Latex says that their medium mattress is their most popular and that it is great with many body types and couples with different sleeping styles. They say that their firm mattress, like this one, is great for stomach sleepers and back sleepers who prefer a firm surface. And they also say that it's firm and quoted from Sleep on Latex, but has just enough give to help alleviate pressure points. And I can just tell from what I'm used to sleeping on that this is going to be perfect for me. Do you have any final thoughts you want to share about this?
Oh, it's so fun. I love it. It's so pretty, so smooth, so soft.
Yeah, cotton wool batting on the top layer.
It's firm, but not too firm.
Because it looks so warm too.
We will be back to report how our first night of sleep was. So we slept on our mattress last night, and my experience was good. I'll tell you a little bit about it, but why don't you go ahead and tell us how your experience was?
Oh, the mattress was really dreamy. My favorite part was that it's really warm. It was nice and warm, and I'm sure in the wintertime maybe the wool will keep us warm, and hopefully in the summertime it will keep us cool. That's my theory of this wool cover or wool blend. But I loved it. I loved how warm it was, and I loved how smooth it was. There were no lumpy spots. It was just nice and solid and heavy. I could feel how heavy the mattress is, and by the way, the mattress is really heavy.
And my experience was great as well. I really loved it. I also noticed something, and that was that when I moved, that she was not disturbed, and when she moved, I was not disturbed.
Yeah.
So that was another good experience. But yeah, I mean, as far as I'm concerned, this is a great mattress, and even at the firm level,
yes,
I don't need anything else. But the question is, do you like the firm, or would you want to have a mattress topper?
See, I know you like how firm it is, and I love the firmness. I usually prefer firm mattresses, but this one is really firm. I like it when I'm on my side. Somehow I wiggle enough that when I'm on my side, it's just perfect firmness. When I'm on my back, I feel like I wish I could just go into it a little bit more. But that's okay. Overall, I don't know, maybe the less firm would be too soft for me. So it's almost perfect for me. And since it's perfect for you, I think I'm just gonna get used to it.
Well, you heard it. That's our experience. Check the links in the description to help support this channel. And that is our review of the Pure Green Organic Latex Mattress by Sleep on Latex. I hope you liked this review. If you did like this review, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with others. And we will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
5 stars!